Dubai is not just a city. It's a unique platform that promises to inspire amid endless possibilities. Today, more than being just a renowned hub for trade and tourism, Dubai has become a hotbed of ideas, innovation, and culture. Our ambitious spirit and drive to collaborate has also made Dubai a leading destination for conferences, meetings, incentives, and events. Airports operated with cutting-edge technology and fast-growing carriers have made Dubai a preeminent aviation hub, meaning easy access from around the world. And advanced infrastructure and public transportation facilitate effortless movement around the city. Dubai has a strong track record in successfully creating the world's most renowned events and hosting the highest quality of conferences and global summits. In doing so, we have created lasting legacies and paved the way for a future that cannot be described, only experienced. From keynotes and gatherings in sleek, modern venues to evenings under the stars in the desert and tours around the historic districts, different settings will inspire and motivate your delegates. Serving millions of business visitors and events yearly, our international and homegrown brands of hotels and accommodations suit every need and every budget. An equally diverse culinary scene also awaits. From exciting street eats to Michelin-starred fine dining, the food here reflects the multicultural makeup of a city home to over 200 nationalities. At the heart of Dubai's continued evolution is the development of a vibrant knowledge economy. From AI, blockchain, and pioneering healthcare technology to new forms of transportation and logistics, this is a city where organizations and associations across all sectors can find inspiration and expertise. A city built for meeting, innovating, and inspiring. A city built by visionaries for the visionaries.